In the world of modern cookware, a saucepan isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your kitchen's soul. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who loves whipping up quick meals, this Sensarte Nonstick Saucepan with lid stands out as a game changer. This 1.5 quart small pot combines innovation, functionality, and Swiss quality to redefine your cooking experience. This in-depth review explores every facet of the Sensarte saucepan, offering insights into why this product deserves a place in your kitchen. From its Swiss ILAG granite coating to its induction-compatible stainless steel base, let's dive deep into the features that make this saucepan exceptional. 1. Design and build quality. The Sensarte saucepan is built to impress with a compact yet versatile design. Its 6.3-inch diameter and 3.4-inch depth make it the ideal choice for small servings, perfect for singles, couples, or those who appreciate precision in cooking smaller portions. Swiss granite coating. The standout feature of this saucepan is the Swiss ILAG granite coating, which is SGS approved, PFOA-free, and ensures a smokeless cooking experience. This coating not only promotes healthier cooking with less oil, but also guarantees excellent food release, making cleanup a breeze. Durable construction. The core is made from cast aluminum, ensuring longevity and even heat distribution. The stainless steel base adds versatility, allowing the saucepan to work on various cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. 2. Performance and versatility. Cooking with the Sensarte saucepan feels effortless, thanks to its thoughtful design and innovative features. Quick and even heating. The high magnetic conductive base ensures rapid and uniform heat transfer. Whether you're preparing sauces, soups, oatmeal, or gravies, this pot delivers consistent results every time. Drip-free pouring. The unique lip rim design makes pouring liquids seamless, preventing messy spills and drips. Oven safe. This saucepan can withstand temperatures up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the freedom to experiment with recipes that require stovetop to oven transitions. 3. Comfortable cooking. The small details in the Sensarte saucepan elevate your cooking experience to a new level of comfort. Stay cool handle. The woodgrain bakelite handle not only adds a touch of elegance, but also remains cool during cooking, ensuring safe handling. Glass lid. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent lets you monitor your food while minimizing splashes, keeping your stovetop clean. 4. Cleaning made simple. Nobody wants to spend hours scrubbing pots, and with the Sensarte saucepan, you won't have to. The non-stick coating and rivet-free interior make cleaning as simple as a wipe with a sponge and soapy water. The durable coating resists scratches, ensuring the saucepan maintains its sleek appearance even after repeated use. 5. Why choose the Sensarte Nonstick Saucepan? This saucepan isn't just another kitchen tool, it's a thoughtful investment in healthier, hassle-free cooking. Here's why you should consider it. Healthy cooking. Free from PFOA and harmful chemicals, it promotes a healthy lifestyle. Compact and efficient. Perfect for small servings without compromising on performance. Versatile. Suitable for all cooktops and a variety of recipes. Durable. Built to last with high-quality materials and Swiss precision. Conclusion. A must-have addition to your kitchen. This Sensarte Nonstick Saucepan with lid is a perfect blend of innovation, quality, and practicality. Its Swiss ILAG granite coating ensures healthier meals with minimal oil usage, while offering effortless food release and quick cleanup. The saucepan's durable cast aluminum core, paired with an induction-compatible stainless steel base, guarantees even heat distribution, making it suitable for all types of stovetops. What sets this saucepan apart is its attention to detail. The Stay Cool woodgrain bakelite handle provides a comfortable and safe grip, while the tempered glass lid with a steam vent adds convenience and functionality. The compact 1.5 quart size is ideal for small portions, yet its versatility ensures it can handle everything from creamy sauces and hearty soups to oatmeal and gravies. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting in the kitchen, this saucepan delivers consistent performance, durability, and style. Its drip-free pouring design and scratch-resistant, rivet-free interior enhance usability, making it a joy to cook with. Investing in the Sensarte Nonstick Saucepan means investing in a healthier, more efficient, and enjoyable cooking experience. It's a cookware essential that balances high-end features with affordability, ensuring it meets the needs of both everyday cooks and culinary enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.